Hello everyone, welcome to Jingzhe's Wellness channel. Today, let's explore the third solar term of the year, Jingzhe, also known as the week in the insects. Jingzhe usually falls between March 1st and 7th each year. Jingzhe symbolizes the moment when spring truly comes alive. At this time, peach blossoms, carrier flowers, and wild roses begin to bloom one after another. Asian scholars divided Jingzhe into three stages. First stage, peach blossoms begin to bloom. Peach buds swell and prepare to open. Second stage, the oriole sings. The oriole, one of the earliest birds to sense spring, sings with a clear and melodious voice. Third stage, hawks turn into doves. Hawks retreat to breed, while doves become more active and court-attract mates. Ancient people mistakenly believed hawks had transformed into doves. These signs reflect the rapid rise of young energy in nature. There's a traditional custom of eating pears during Jingzhe. The word pear sounds like a celebration in Chinese, symbolizing staying away from illness and harmful insects. Pears also help clear heat, moisten dryness, and soothe the throat. Jingzhe comes with fluctuating temperatures and dry weather, which can easily cause dry mouth, skin discomfort, and emotional irritability. The key wellness principles during this period are soothing the liver, strengthening the spleen, and supporting the dry young energy. Diets to be light, with less sugar and more naturally sweet foods, and include plenty of fresh vegetables, fruits, and high-quality protein. Dietary recommendation: less sour, more sweet. Reduce foods that may increase liver fire. Eat foods that support the spleen, such as Chinese yam and lotus seed. Light and liver-friendly foods: bamboo shoots, spinach, celery, mushroom, black fungus, and soil products to provide vitamins and help release excess heat. Boost the immunity. Moderate intakes of egg, milk, fish, and legumes. Recommended teas and soups: chrysanthemum and goji berry tea. Clears the liver and brightens the eyes. Chinese yam, porridge, and tofu skin soup strengthens the spleen and helps relieve skin irritation. Chrysanthemum, goji berry, and cowseed soup clears heat and removes dampness. Lily bulb and almond porridge relieves cough and nourishes vitality. Stir-fried yam and black fungus supports digestion and nourishes the skin. Spleen strengthening, dampness removing soup with yam. Looking beans, cowseeds, dry tangerine peel, and lean pork. Chrysanthemum pu'er tea soothes the liver and supports digestion. During Jingzhe, continue to keep warm in early spring and avoid dressing too lightly. Maintain a routine of going to bed early and waking up early. Gentle activities such as walking or Tai Chi help regulate liver energy and balance the body. Most importantly, keep your mood calm and relaxed to prevent excessive liver fire. We hope today's elder sisters' wellness sharing helps you better align with the rhythm of spring. Thank you for following Elder Sisters Wellness channel. Wishing you good health and vibrant energy in this season of awakening. See you at the next solar term, spring equinox.